Well, here's hit and miss. I put a chunk of blank 4140 in there. This is the very first program I designed on CAD, and actually got the cam work done on it. It didn't look like it was going to work, so I didn't want to put the barrel in. So I just put this blank chunk in there, so we'll see what it does. Basically, it's reprofile the back half of the barrel. I've got the feeds a little high, feeds and speeds a little high, and I slowed it down a little bit for the finish pass, so we'll see what the finish pass does. I'm using a .016 radius finishing tip. I was all worried because the code that it generated, took me a while to get it to generate, but it was right on cant when I designed, but the codes look totally different from the ones that I've been programming. So. I'd be damned, it looks like it's going to work.